Hey, what's up? It's Wick for Xiaomi Fi back with a major episode of Mystery Box, and today we're looking at the Xiaomi 11T Pro, which I've got right here, but I've also got the Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G and E. I've got the all-new Xiaomi Pad 5, which is this guy right here, and I've got that including the Xiaomi Smart Pen, this stylus right here. Then we've got the Mi Smart Band 6 with NFC, which I know you guys are going to be excited about. And we've got the Xiaomi Smart Projector 2, which is this guy right here. And it's a lot, so let's not wait around any longer and let's dive right in. So here it is, the Xiaomi 11T Pro. This is the latest addition in the flagship line of Xiaomi's phones, and it's an amazing upgrade. So here are my favorite features of the Xiaomi 11T Pro. First off, I love that it's got a huge battery that is easily lasting me the whole day with no problem at all. And even better is that it supports Xiaomi's 120 watts hypercharge. And not only that, it actually includes the 120 watts charger in the box. You should easily get 72% of battery in just 10 minutes, which is amazing when you gotta run out quickly and just need to quickly boost your phone. Then it's got this nice 6.67-inch AMOLED display with that super smooth 120Hz refresh rate. And this display is really nice. It's vibrant and bright. And you want to have a good display to look at those 108 megapixel photos, which is my next point, the camera. I've been shooting a bunch of photos with this camera over the last few weeks and I just love it. The main shooter is this 108 megapixel main lens, which can also film up to 8K. Then it's got this 8 megapixel ultra wide angle and a 5 megapixel telemacro lens. The telemacro actually gave me some really good photos as well. The sound is also really good on the 11T Pro. With its Harman Kardon dual speaker setup, it gives you a rich and full sound experience, which sounds really nice when playing games or playing some music or YouTube videos. Hey, what's up? It's Wick for Xiaomi Fi, and today we're looking at Xiaomi's all-new electric scooter 3. So in a nutshell, this is the Xiaomi 11T Pro, with some amazing features like that 120 watts charging, a 5000 milliamp hour battery, 108 megapixel camera, and a stunning 120 Hz AMOLED display. Then we've got the all-new Xiaomi Pad 5. Finally, we've got a new tablet, and this one really excites me. It's got a nice 11-inch display, which looks very good, and I really love the fact that they now have a bunch of accessories available for the MiPad, like this pencil. I personally really love to draw, so I was really looking forward to trying this one out, and drawing with it was actually very fun. It's also got a quad speaker setup that gives some very nice and rich sounds. It sounds very wide and very full. I was surprised at how good it sounds. Some of the photos and some of the videos that I've been shooting with it. The big 8700 milliamp hour battery also lasted hours for me, so it was actually very fun to draw and it didn't run out of battery. And I really like how that pen actually snaps onto the top of the tablet so you can charge the pen. It's super convenient. Next up is the all-new Mi Smart Projector 2. I've been using the first generation of this projector for a long time, as these are very nice and affordable projectors. The Mi Smart Projector 2 supports the Google Assistant right from the remote control, which is very convenient. At 500 ANSI lumens, it's bright enough, but it's got this all-new improved multi-angle keystone correction that allows you to project on tilted walls or project from an angle, and it's got autofocus that will automatically adjust the focus when you move the projector, which is super nice to have. It's got a tripod mount thread on the bottom, which allows you to mount it to a tripod, which I pretty much have all the time, and you could also hang it upside down from the ceiling, as it has the option to flip the image if you need that. It also has a very good built-in speaker, which gives some very impressive sounds for such a small projector. Hey, what's up? It's Wick for Xiaomi Fi, and today we're looking at Xiaomi's all-new electric scooter 3. And it's got an improved Bluetooth connection, which is also very nice to use it as a Bluetooth speaker. Then we've got the Mi Smart Band 6 NFC. Finally, I always like the Xiaomi Smart Bands, and I love that this one has got that same bigger 1.56 AMOLED display. It's got a really nice brightness, I think it's 450 nits, and it's got all the sensors to track your activities and it's got those 30 tracking features like we had on the Mi Band 6 that allows it to track a large number of activities, and because it's got that 5 ATM waterproof rating, it supports one of my favorites, which is swimming. But this guy also has NFC, and this gives it support for MasterCard contactless payments. It also has Amazon Alexa built right into the watch as well, so there's definitely some new and fresh features on this one. And I know a lot of you have been waiting for a global version of the Xiaomi Smart Band 6 with NFC, and well, it's here. And last but not least, we've got the Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE. This is a more budget-friendly but fashionable smartphone, and what I really liked on it is its design. It comes in 4 colors, although I have the black one, but the first thing I noticed on this one is how I really like the texture of the back. I noticed that it's super lightweight and very, very slim. Being only 6.8 millimeters, it's probably one of the thinnest phones I've ever used. I also like that for such a budget phone, it does have a nice 6.55-inch AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate, so the display was quite impressive for this price range. I also like how it's also got the dual speakers and even got things like dual 5G, Bluetooth 5.2, and NFC support. So for the price of this phone, to get all of this in a very slim housing is actually impressive. So yeah, this by far was the biggest episode of Mystery Box that we've ever done. We've had so many cool new products. I'm really excited about the Xiaomi 11T Pro. I've been using it for a few weeks now and I really, really love it. I love the MiPad. It's really fun. As you can see, I've been playing around and sketching and drawing with it. It's really cool to play around with. Overall, a really huge event. And that's about it for this major episode of Mystery Box. So as always, thank you guys for watching. And I hope to see y'all soon. Peace.